Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am Lohit from Nagar. In this class, I will tell you how to create simple drawing. Like I will take example like a water glass. So how to create simple drawing using lines and ellipses with correct dimensions. Okay. First start the drawing. First take a line. First take a line. Type a command. L is the shortcut key of line. Enter. Ortho mode on. F8 is the shortcut key of ortho mode on. Take a length like 50. Distance is 50. Enter. Escape. And take line F8 when ortho mode is off. Take 58 distance and degrees 105. Tab degrees 105. Enter. Escape. And take a line with this 50 line center. Escape and mirror this point. Mirror this point. Select and mirror with this center line. So delete this line and take ellipse. Take ellipse and specify distance like 10. 10 is equal to 20. 10 plus 10 equal to 20, and I will take 10. You can see the extra unwanted lines will be removed with trim option or using with trim. Enter and trim these unwanted lines. Escape and give the dimensions. "50", this is 10, this will be 40.01, or take this angle, this line and this line, 105, 105, also given this point to this point, 58, 58. So this is the simple drawing with suitable dimensions. Okay, and also you can change the colors, line thickness, line type. So I will change the color like this. So this is the simple drawing. Also you can give this hatch using with fill in this plan using hatch. Take like this, as with this. So this is the simple drawing. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our CAD NEST YouTube channel. Thank you.